Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome to all of you to our PBL Project 1, which is Blink an LED with Arduino in Tinkercad. I am Danish Mahajan here to present you our project. My group member Tanaya Kulkarni, Tejal Kumbhar and Navtet Lokhande helped me a lot to complete this project under the guidance of Professor Chinmay Deshpande sir. This we have to use a software application known as Tinkercad. So you will ask, what is Tinkercad? A Tinkercad is an application which is used to simplify constructive solid geometry method of constructing models. The software allows us to add electronic circuit to 3D models in order to create object with light and movement. The end result can even be simulated on the software to check how the component will respond in a real life. From here, I will hand over this project explanation to our group member Tej.
We perform this experiment virtual with the help of Tinkercad. For this experiment, we need an Arduino board. We take an Arduino board from the component box and place it over the workspace. We also need an LED which we take from the component box. We connect anode of the LED to pin number 13 of the Arduino board. Now we take a resistor. We connect the terminal 2 of the resistor to the anode and terminal 1 of the resistor to the ground. Now we start, after assembling the components, we start stimulation. As we see, the LED starts blinking. Procedure code. The code starts out with two gray command blocks. The first blue output block sets the built-in LED high. High is nothing but Arduino's way of describing on. The output command will activate a 5-volt signal and to anything that is connected to the specified pin. Next step is the yellow command block that waits for 1 second. So the program will pause for 1 second while the LED is on for 1 second. Next, after the comment is the blue output blocks to set the LED back to low or off, followed by another second long pause. Now we'll see the code that runs this program. First, as we see, is the void setup, and in void setup is pin mode 13 output. Pin mode 13 is nothing but the code to indicate that LED is connected to 13th pin of the Arduino board and output because LED is an output device. Next is the main part of the program, which is indicated in curly brackets. Digital write 13 high. High is nothing but the code to turn on the LED. Delay 1000. Delay 1000 is nothing but to pause for 1 second. So to notice the changes, I would edit here and at 5000 milliseconds, which means 5 seconds. Next is the delay 13 low. Low is nothing but to turn off the LED. Here also I'll change to 5000. Now we'll run the program. As we see, the LED is lit for 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds the LED bulb is turned off.
And here is the code explanation used for blinking of light in Tinkercad. When the code editor is open, you can click the drop down menu on the left hand side, select block text to reveal the Arduino code generated by the code block. The first section in title block comment describing what the program does. Block comment are bookended by opening and closing. The code setup which helps set up things you program will need later. It runs once when the program start up and contain everything within its curly brackets. A blank sketch setup configures pin 13 as an output which prepare the board to send signal to it. The main body of the program is inside the loop, indicated by another set of curly brackets. This part of the code will execute on repeat so long as the board has power. The colored text following double slashes are also common to help make the program easier to understand. The output command we are using is called digital write, which is a function that sets a pin high or low, on or off. To pause the program, we will use delay, which takes the number of milliseconds.
It can be used. Blinking LED circuit can be used for any visual sign indication in any highways, or it can be used in advertisement hoarding also. LED blinking circuit can be used in signaling purposes. LED blinking circuit can be used as flash and beacon. LED blinking circuit can be used as vehicle indicator when it is broken down in the middle of the road. It can be used in operation theaters or offices as an indication that you are engaged in work. I would like to thank my teammates for their support and cooperation throughout the project. We would also like to thank our guide Chinmay sir for supporting us and guiding us throughout the project. We would also like to thank Electrical Branch, faculty and Zeal College of Engineering and Research for giving us this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.